Hello my beauties, and today I am going to do another Colourpop palette. It's my pleasure. It is very purple. I hope you can see this. Very purple. And since Skylar Sat by a River commented on my last video about a going out look, I'm gonna try that kind of with this cool purple. Give a nice kind of vibrant look. And if you want me to try any looks or anything like that, just put down in the comments below. Maybe your comment might get mentioned in the next video. Who knows? So let's go. So I've already primed my face, if you will. I used my moisturizers, my cool brow conditioner. I almost forgot for a second there. We are going to do my eyebrows first, and then we're going to do the It's My Pleasure palette, and I'll show you what all the colors, and I'll leave you all the colors below. So yeah, let's get to it. All I'm gonna say is that when you do brows, just fill in the light areas. Give them a little thickness. Tapping my product, which is the brow pencil Precising My Brow by Benefit. It is the color number 6, my favorite brow pencil here that I have. It is beautiful personally because it is my eyebrow color. So I'm just gonna go in and highlight my brows, and then I'm gonna go over like the top area of my brows with my contour color by Beauty Concepts. This contour color, it doesn't specify what kind of like color it is, but it's like a maple, like a light maple, I guess. I don't really know. We're about to find out, I guess. I'm kidding. I am going to go in with my purple palette, so let me get my brushes nice and prepped, and we're going to just switch it right over there real quick. I am going to be using most of the colors Bitten Fish, Sleeper, Fanfiction, and those are the only 3 that I will be using, which I will show all of them, me pointing at all of them right now. You've seen all the colors. We are going to go in with Kitten Fish as a light fade, because we're going to fade in slowly with the purple until we get to right here, and then I'm going to go over with a glitter liquid eyeshadow. I'm going to show you, don't worry. So going in lightly, tapping your brush, and then just right in the crease. And I feel like this always looks weird, like putting it right here. Just like the way, I don't know. That's just the way I am. Insert Charlie Puth, that's just the way I am song. It's good. And what I realized is sometimes I don't considerably use my hand mirror. I break my neck trying to look at this one. So we're going to use this one from now on. Let's see how this looks. You know, a little handheld mirror. It works. Now that we finished with the light color around, which kind of looks a little weird on camera, I'm not going to lie. But now that we're done on that color, I'm going to go in with Fanfiction. If I don't get it all over my skin and become very purple. We don't need that. So going in with Fanfiction, which was right next to Sleeper at the bottom, which is a dark color, just to give you a little emphasis. I'm going to put it right there, but down a little bit and blend it into the Kitten Fish. And now that we are done with Fanfiction, I'm going to go in with Sleeper, which is an extra dark purple right at the bottom over here, if you remember from seeing it. And I'm going to put it right at the corner ever so lightly, and then I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeshadow glitter. Now that we're done with Sleeper, we are done with this palette right now, and it looks like this. It's a nice ombre, and I will be sure to post I'll post a picture of what it looks like so that way you can see a little bit better if the camera quality is not okay or up to par, if you will. So I'm going to show you, putting my brush down, I'm going to show you the glitter that I'm using. It is by Pop Beauty. It is a flash shadow, and it's like a pink, like this. It's like a pinky, pastel-y kind of thing, and it is super cute. I think the color's on the bottom. Yes, it is crushed copper. It doesn't quite look like copper. It's like a pink copper, which I love. But I'm going to open up my eyeshadow palette here and just use this, because this is a lot better in my, you know, opinion. Also, I want to give a little explanation what I'm doing with the brush. I'm just taking that liquid liner and just blending it out towards the edge of my eye here, so that way it slowly fades into, and that way I can just take and dry some of the liquid part of it, so that way when I open up my eye, it's not like getting everywhere. So now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with my brush and just darken the corners right here, but with Chic Lit, which I will, actually no, I'm gonna use bare minimum. I changed it last minute, who cares? So it's right here, looks just like that, and I'm just gonna say this now. It's your palette, do what you want, it's your face, make it however you want. People are different, nobody's the exact same. So now with the eyeshadow all complete, I'm going to move on to the contour, and I don't think I'm going to put on that foundation again today, or any foundation to be honest with you. I feel that I don't want to wear it today, plus I'm going to be going out just a little bit, so I don't want my mask to like rub on the foundation, even though the setting spray that I'm going to be using is anti-smudge. So now that we're done with all the contour and all that fun stuff, I'm going to go in with my angled brush and apply the blush of my choice, which, if I can find it, psych, which is right here. It's called Home. It is a Dusty Rose Pure Cheek color. So this little box here, it just says Home on the top. I don't quite know who it's by, but that's alright. If I find it, which I probably mostly will later, I'll leave it down below so you can check it out. And what else will be down below is my Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch if you want to go check me out, because I do play games after I'm done doing my makeup. So if you always wanted to check that out, I also have that down below. So now we're moving on to highlights, to highlight my face and the little parts that I wanted to be highlighted, which I'm going to use this Pixie by Pedro highlighter set. It is a two-toned highlighter set. One's like a copper and the other one's like a rose gold. Pretty. And it's Settable Sunrise. It's beautiful, which I will, you know me, I will definitely be leaving the links to all of this down below. Now that my highlight is all done, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. contour palette, which has some purple on it, which is not good. So I'm going to go in with a light color right here, and then a dark to follow in behind it. So it gives a nice subtle fade, and it's not too aggressive with just a straight dark color. And now that we've put on our blush, I'm going to go in with my clear brow gel by Billion Dollar Brows, and it all it does is hold in your brows and leaves it for a nice long lasting look. So I'm going to apply that to both the brows, and yeah. So now that it is all done with my brows, I'm going to go in with the eyeliner and then mascara, which I'm just going to speed through that, but before I do, I'll tell you everything that I'm using. I'm using the Colourpop mascara, the Colourpop eyeliner cream. It is I think it's I always butcher this name, but I'll leave it like in a little title card next so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to apply that, and then I'll tell you what my mascara that I'm using is, which is Laura Mercier Caviar Volume, which I absolutely love Laura Mercier's stuff. It is just, it applies so well, and it's great. It's honestly the best mascara I could ever ask for.
Hours later.
Now that I'm done with the mascara, I'm gonna go in with Maven Beauty. It is a rose water setting spray, which, like I've stated before, I think it smells amazing. Now let's hope I don't look like I'm suffering when I spray this. Oh my gosh! I'm okay. This is fine. This is fine. So now that we airing it all out and it's all holding, hopefully, hope the wind's not just aggressively blowing in my face, and we should be fine. But now we're moving on to my favorite part, which is doing the lips, which I did a little dance, I don't know why. It is Modest Matte Liquid Lip Stick, and it is a long-lasting, weightless matte finish, and the color is Whisper, which is MMLO4, I think, yes. It is by Absolute New York and looks just like this. It is a purple color. It's beautiful, and I love this one because it's like nice and purple, and it goes with the whole look, I think. And now that we're done with all that, I am just going to, I think I'm going to leave it. I was going to put something over it, but I figured I'm putting on a mask, and this is matte, so it's not going to rub off or anything. But we are all done with this purple night out look kind of thing. It looks amazing. And yeah, if you want to see more close-ups, I will gladly be posting it on my Instagram and my Twitter, this whole new look that I just did. It looks very 80s to me. I don't know why, but it does. I don't know, my hair just gives it that 80s type vibe. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like I said, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!